Struggling with tile installation? You're definitely not alone, and getting it right can seriously make or break your whole project. First off, make sure the surface is totally level before you even think about laying down tiles. You don't want any bumps or dips messing up your work later on. Next, pick the right adhesive for the type of tile and surface you're working with. Different tiles need different glues to stick properly. When you cut tiles, take your time and measure twice, cut once, because a slip-up here means wasted materials and frustration. Grout application is all about patience. Apply it evenly and wipe off the excess quickly before it hardens, so your tiles don't look messy. Also, plan your tile pattern layout before you start to avoid awkward cuts or mismatched lines at the edges. Keep your tools clean and sharp. Dull blades or dirty spacers can cause uneven cuts and gaps. Remember to check your work as you go, stepping back every so often to catch any alignment issues early, and finally, give everything plenty of time to dry and set. Rushing this step can cause tiles to shift or grout to crack later. One of the biggest challenges tile installers face is surface leveling. If the floor or wall isn't flat, tiles won't lay right, leading to cracks or uneven surfaces. Fix that by using a leveling compound or sanding down high spots before starting. Another common issue is grout application. People often apply too much grout or leave it on the tile surface, making the job look sloppy. The fix? Use a grout float at an angle and clean excess grout with a damp sponge before it dries. A third big problem is tile cutting accuracy. Cutting tiles too big or too small throws off the entire pattern. Use a quality tile cutter or wet saw and measure carefully. If you mess up, replace the tile early rather than trying to force it in place. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking for trusted local contractors who know their stuff with tile installation and other home projects. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making it easier to find good work without all the hassle.